Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set dual apps in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings. Then go to apps and here select app clone and turn on the button against apps which are supported for dual app. So here just turn on button against Facebook and another Facebook app will be creating in your phone. The similar way you can do it for LinkedIn, Netflix, PhoneB, Snapchat, WhatsApp. Okay, so all these apps are supported and they have now dual apps. Go to the home page and see here two WhatsApp are showing here, two Facebook are showing here, two Snapchat are showing here. Okay, another phone B is showing here, Netflix another one is showing here. Okay, so in this way you can easily set dual apps in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.